Hey guys, Harrison here from Tool Talk, and today on Tool Talk TV, we're going to be taking a look at the Knipex Pliers wrenches, and we'll even be giving away a pair at the end of the video. So let's get into it. Okay, first things first, let's get this bad boy out of its box. Like the box, by the way, kind of humble packaging, but nice and branded. Love a good bit of branding. I like the color scheme for Knipex as well. So these are the Knipex Pliers wrenches. So first thing you'll see is these are completely adjustable. So this, I guess, straight away gets rid of the need for having multiple sets of pliers. You've got these which go from what looks like 10 mil to 40 mil. And interestingly, we've got, I don't think you can see it on the camera, but we've got metric and imperial measurements on the back. So this is one pair of wrenches to quite simply rule them all. To adjust them, there's a simple push button here. Even I can do it. So we can go from what looks like 10 mil to 40 in a simple flick of the wrist. It feels, when you adjust it as well, it feels pretty solid in place. It doesn't feel like there's any play other than this clown operating it. But yeah, these feel solid. Some reviews on Tool Talk say the flat faces are great for things like nuts and valves. And I know that there's a few guys that have had different sets of these, and they've had them for over 2 years and they seem to still be going strong. Others say things like the smoothness of the grips as well are great for chrome fittings, which is always a plus because you don't want to scratch those. And then other people have said things like these are the best of both worlds because you've got almost like a set of grips and a wrench in one. So that is the Knipex Pliers wrench. So guys, if you would like to win this very pair of Knipex Pliers wrenches, it is super simple. All you need to do is, first of all, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on this competition and any other competitions that we do in the future, and we do them every week. Comment below with your company name, and we will be picking a winner at random and announcing that winner over on the Tool Talk Facebook page on Friday, the 20th of November. And if you're watching this video after the 20th of November, unfortunately, you've missed out on this competition. But again, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on other competitions that we do. And if you're not already part of Tool Talk, where you save money on the tools that you love, click the link in the description, download the app, and join Tool Talk for free today.